the table every single night and what I can do out on this floor. So, you know, I always feel like I'm the best to ever play this game, but you know, there's so many other great ones, and I'm happy to just be a part of their journey.
Well, LeBron James, there has never been a basketball player to score more points than you. Congratulations.
I appreciate you guys.
What wine you drinking tonight? I know you're drinking some good vino.
Oh yeah, we drinking some good vino tonight, and we're gonna have Lobos on tap too. So.
Oh, you're on the phone, beside on the